We have already studied the algebraic identities related to this exercise. You can check that video in description box to have better understanding of this exercise. Today we will do first two questions of this exercise. So let's start. Use suitable identities to find the following products. First part is x plus 4 into x plus 10. We have an identity since x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus a into b. We can apply this to this first part here. X here is x square plus a plus b. A is 4 and b is 10. 4 plus 10 into x plus a into b means 4 multiplied by 10 implies x square 10 plus 4 14x plus 40. In this way we can find the product. Second part, x plus 10 into x minus 10. Again we will use the same identity since x plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X square here is x again plus a is 8 and b is minus 10. In this way, plus here and minus 10 into x plus 8 into minus 10 implies x square minus 10 plus 8. 8 minus 10 into x, 8 into minus 10 minus 80. X square minus 10 plus 8 minus 2 minus 2x minus 80. In this way we can find the product. Third part, 3x plus 4, 3x minus 5. Again the same identity, x plus a, x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. X here is 3x, 3x का whole square plus a is 4 plus b is minus 5. In this way, x is 3x plus a into b. 3x का whole square 9x square minus 5 plus 4. We can write here minus 1 into 3x plus 4 into minus 5 minus 20. 9x square minus का 3x minus का 20. In this way. Fourth part, y square plus 3 upon 2, y square minus 3 upon 2. This identity is similar to this one, this expression x plus y into x minus y is equals to x square minus y square. X is here, y square, तो y square का whole square minus y here is 3 upon 2. 3 upon 2 का whole square implies y square का square y raised to the power 4 minus 9 upon 4. Fifth part, 3 minus 2x, 3 plus 2x. Again जो हमने अभी अप्लाई करी थी वही आइडेंटिटी यूज हो जाएगी यहाँ पे भी. It is the fifth part. Since x minus y into x plus y is equals to x square minus y square. X here is 3 implies 3 का square minus y here is 2x. 2x का square. 9 minus 4x square. In this way, we can find the product. Question number 2. Evaluate the following products without multiplying directly. बिना डायरेक्ट मल्टीप्लीकेशन के हमें इनके प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट करने हैं. अभी पीछे क्वेश्चंस में हमने मल्टीप्लाई ना करके आइडेंटिटीज का यूज किया था. सिमिलरली हम इस क्वेश्चंस में भी करेंगे. 103 and 107. Can we write 103 as 100 plus 3 and 107 as 100 plus 7? ये एक्सप्रेशन बिल्कुल उसी एक्सप्रेशन की तरह बन गया जो अब आइडेंटिटीज प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन में यूज कर रहे थे. x plus a into x plus b that was equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab, राइट. सो हम वही अप्लाई कर देंगे. यहाँ पे हमारा x क्या है 100, a is 3, b is 7. x का स्क्वायर मीन्स 100 स्क्वायर, a plus b means 3 plus 7. X is 100. 3 into 7. 100 square is 10,000 plus 10 plus 3. 7 plus 3. That is 10 into 100. 1000 plus 3 sevens are 21. We'll add and what we will get? 11,021 as our answer. In this way, हमने एक्चुअल मल्टीप्लाई ना करके आइडेंटिटी को यूज करके प्रोडक्ट फाइंड आउट किया. In this question, 95 into 96. We can write 95 as 100 minus 5 and 96 as 100 minus 4. Right? We'll use the same identity. X plus a into x plus b is equals to x square plus a plus b into x plus ab. Implies x हमारा यहाँ पे 100 हो गया, 100 स्क्वायर प्लस a हमारा है -5 प्लस b हमारा है -4 प्लस इंटू मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे हम x से, x is 100 है प्लस ab -5 into -4 implies 10,000 -5 -4 -9 into 100 -5 into -4 that is +20. In this way, first of all हम ऐड करेंगे 10020 minus 900. What we will get? 9120 as our answer. Third part, 104 into 96. We can write 104. हम 100 क्यों चूज करते हैं हर बार? ताकि हमारा कैलकुलेशन इजी हो जाए, इसलिए हम 100 के टर्म्स में उसे स्प्लिट करना ज्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं. We can write it as 100 plus 4 and this 96 as 100 minus 4. Since x plus y, x minus y is equals to x square minus y square implies वही एक्सप्रेशन बन गया. ये यहाँ पे हमारा x क्या हो गया 100, तो 100 स्क्वायर माइनस 4 हो गया हमारा y 4 स्क्वायर. This is 10,000 minus 16 is equals to 9984. So in this way, these two questions are done. If you have any doubt in any part, you can ask your queries in the comment section.